In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create products in the product library in Hubspot. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Hubspot account and you are in the main dashboard. Creating products in the product library is useful because it lets you standardize the items your team sells. It also helps keep pricing and details consistent when you build quotes, deals, and invoices. First, open your settings. You can find settings by looking for the gear icon in your Hubspot navigation. Once you are in Settings, locate the section for Objects. In the Objects area, click on Products. This takes you to your product library, where all saved products live. Next, look toward the top right of the product screen and click Create Product. This opens the product creation form, where you will enter the key information HubSpot uses to identify and price the item. Start by entering the product name. Use a clear, recognizable name that matches how your team talks about the product internally and how it appears on sales documents. Then enter the SKU. The SKU is your internal identifier, so keep it consistent with whatever system your business already uses. After that, add the description. A good description helps sales reps understand what is included, and it can also appear on customer-facing documents, so keep it accurate and easy to read. Now choose the folder where the product should be stored. Folders help organize your library, especially when you have multiple product lines or service categories. Then select the product type. Pick the type that best matches what you are selling, so reporting and organization stay clean over time. After that, enter the unit price and choose the correct currency. Be careful here because this is the default price that will be used when the product is added to deals or quotes. If your business sells in more than one currency, double-check you are selecting the one you intend to use for this product. Next, set the billing frequency, such as one time for a single purchase or monthly for a subscription. This is important for recurring revenue items, since it helps HubSpot reflect how the customer will be billed. Finally, review the details one last time for accuracy, and click Save. The product will now appear in your product library and be ready to use across HubSpot. And that is all there is to it.